atmosphere itself, not from because even the color of the
Okay,
sun is
sure,
white.
but
But
horizons
leave it
cannot
as
occur
orange.
on flat planes. It doesn't matter what the atmosphere does.
Yes, yeah, yes, it can because the
No,
light,
it
yeah,
doesn't.
because the light can spread out throughout the
So,
atmosphere. That
so
would be the
curved
horizon that we
objects,
see.
curved objects are the only objects that can possess a horizon. Look at your cup. Like, do you have a cup or a can next to you?
Yes,
Like,
yes,
where
I have
on
a
that
cup with.
can would if you were like an
Yeah.
ant walking across that can, where on that can would the horizon be? It'd be on the curved part, not the flat part.
No, no,
That's
no.
the
That's
only
completely
part
false.
that can
That's
possibly
completely
have a
false.
horizon. Horizons debunk flat Earth. Period.
The atmosphere has
On a
affects
flat
greatly
Earth,
on the view of our
refraction would
sun
be
that way we
almost
see today.
it would
Even
make
affects the color it has.
almost no difference whatsoever. On a flat
No,
plane, refraction would make almost no difference whatsoever.
listen. You're one of those NASA loving people that got brainwashed
It
by
would
the
be a
CIA.
linear gradient instead of a curved gradient, so
Mm.
it wouldn't make that much of a difference. You'd actually see like little. You'd actually be able to see like sharp edges.
That's a lie.
No, I've done the math, dude.
That is that is a lie. That is a lie. Donald, agree to disagree. You believe the Earth is round. I'm
No,
telling you it's
no,
flat.
I don't agree. I do not agree because
No,
if I
I
agreed with
said
you, we'd both be
I
wrong, and I can't
agree
handle that.
to disagree with you. I
I can't
agree
handle
to
being wrong.
disagree with you. Huh?
I can't handle being wrong. So you can
Well,
be
you
wrong
think you're
all
right.
you
I
want,
think
but
I'm right.
I'm
Let's
not
just
agreeing
leave
with
it.
you.
Take a potato.
You can be wrong all you want. I don't agree with you.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. Potato, potato.
Okay.
But I'm telling you that the Earth is flat.
Okay, so give me a measurement. Give me a measurement of the flatness of the Earth.
A measurement could be
20.
used on
Well, I mean, I
half
took
of.
a measurement of the curvature of the Earth. You take a measurement of the flatness of the Earth and show me the results.
Yeah, I mean,
Okay, no problem.
it extends
I
from
got it.
another. It's like 24,000 miles, bro.
So measurement, flatness. Because or would you rather talk about is your flat Earth stationary?
Obviously.
Yes, yes, yes. It's
Okay, well,
stationary.
pull out your cell phone and download an app called Physics Toolbox, and turn it on and set it down on your desk and see how many different vectors of motion it
Who's
measures.
to say? Who's to say that the app wasn't made by the CIA?
You think cell phones are made by the CIA? Well, I would
Yes,
agree because
see,
it's like a handy little surveillance device. It listens to you, it watches you, you put your entire life on it, you manage all your bills with it. It's that very handy little surveillance device you guys got there.
exactly. So why would I trust something that could be a product? And we all know Edwin Snowden
Well, I
and
mean,
how
they
he
didn't write
exposed the
the
government.
app. They didn't write the app.
Doesn't matter.
I got a theory.
Still have some influence. You know, they
You
they
have a
could they could be looking
hypothesis
into
at
your phone
best.
right now and you wouldn't know it. They have the ability to look into anyone's phone and anyone's
Sure,
webcam
I can
and
agree with
anyone's
that. And
camera.
still, the app was not written by the CIA.
It doesn't matter. It really
It
doesn't
does
matter.
matter.
No,
So,
it doesn't.
Donald, what proof do you have that the Earth is round, bro? Like, let's
I
just.
have
Exactly. He
personally
has no
measured the
proof.
circumference of the planet.
How did you do that? Did you went
Same
to
way as Eratosthenes.
so you went to Alexandria and then measured like
I
you
didn't do it in the same location. I did it the same way. Where is irrelevant. Almost. It has to be at different latitudes by a significant degree. I did it in DFW, Texas, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma.
Donald, just word of advice: don't believe the people that are trying to control you.
I don't believe anybody. I'm the most skeptical motherfucker you ever met. I have done all of my own research. I have done experiments. I have done measurements. I know this shit, dude.
Can we
Hey,
all
Donald.
agree that it's impossible to convince a flat earther that
I've
the
done
earth
it.
is round?
No, I've done it. I
No,
have
I
converted a
can be
flat earther back
convinced.
to the globe.
I
Personally.
got a theory.
Go. You have a hypothesis.
Well, no, not. Tell me what you think about this.
I think it's brilliant.
No,
It's the smartest
no,
thing you've
all right,
ever
you're
said
right.
if you're a flat earther.
No, check out. I got this theory. Flat Earth,
Hypothesis.
flat earthers, they have like special genes that they're suspicious of things. It's like part of our species. Do you see what I mean?
Sure.
Then we never get hustled as a species. But now that we're the primary predator or whatever, it just sort of comes out like this sometimes, maybe.
I mean,
I
have
think
you
there's
ever heard of
actually
the
a
expression "better
study
safe
being
than
done on
sorry"?
that.
That's badass, man. That's the theory I sort of formed. Because they're
It's
so wonderful. They're just totally normal, but they've got this thing that like the earth has to be flat. It's you know what I mean?
yeah. It's
It's beautiful and yeah.
there's a particular personality type that is more likely to accept conspiracy theories.
Hmm.
Atheist.
Yeah. I think they're those brain cells in our human species that are super suspicious that nothing ever harms us, but then they can be suspicious then now. Like this. Very interesting. Evolution.
Evolution is not real.
Well, except that we observe it in nature all the time.
No.
He's just doing his job.
Listen,
don't hurt him.
Adaptation.
Thor, we have
Adaptation
witnessed single-cell to multi-cell evolution in the wild.
Oh no, we have.
Adaptation is real, but not.
No, single-cell to multicellular is more than just adaptation. That is a structural change.
So you actually seen that in real life?
Yeah, we see it in the wild. We've seen it in the wild around what are they called? Like geysers? It happens a lot around geysers.
So how long ago was that?
It's been within the last 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
Bro, I was alive then, man. What are you talking about?
He's gonna ask you if you observed it like in real time.
We observed it in nature as it was
man.
happening. We saw a population of cells that was single-celled, and then a predator came into the environment, and then that forced an evolutionary jump to multicellularity in the wild without any intervention from people at all. We just observed it.
Wait, so how did
evolution take 10 years?
Because like if it was happening in the wild and there was a predator attacking it, like were you on top of it?
Did you watch it for 10 years? Did you watch it for 10 years?
No.
It didn't take 10 years to do it. It has had the study came out in the last 10 years, sometime in the last.
So if a study told you that a black guy could become white in a day, would you believe it?
Well, if it was peer reviewed, I would have to look at the evidence, sure.
And that's not what evolution says, by the way. You just made it up.
True. That's true. Evolution works on populations, not on individuals.
Wait, but you said this happened 10 years ago.
I said the paper came out in the last 10 years. Holy shit, people. It's not that hard.
This is why this is impossible. You cannot argue with a fucking... Oh my god, it's so annoying.
Okay, now that you told me that, I'm actually a globe... I'm not a flat earther, so,
I don't care.
Yeah, But evolution, I'm not so sure about that one, man.
Well, that's fine, but we observe it in nature all the time.
Yeah, but that's not the main proof that, evolution...
Okay, Donald, I have a very good question for you. Why haven't the humans evolved after so long, after thousands of years? Why have we
hundreds of thousands of years? And were there humans 1,000,000 years ago?
Okay, whatever, man. Okay, whatever.
Okay, whatever. There were not humans 1,000,000 years ago.
I did not say 1,000,000 years. I said thousands of years ago.
Yes, but I'm saying 1,000,000 years ago, there were no humans at all.
Okay, thank you. No problem. Okay. Why haven't we evolved if creatures and species are evolving to this day?
We
Why
are,
haven't
though.
we evolved?
We are.
That's
we have.
the thing. We
Okay,
are.
when was our last evolution stage?
The last generation. Every generation equals evolution.
You have to look at a long period of time. And if you look at a long period of time, you can see over time our brains got bigger. And then over time, as we got better and better at feeding ourselves and how we got technologies and stuff, maybe those are the reasons, maybe not, the brain gets small.
Shouldn't that be...
No. I'm talking about how monkeys went to all those stages as a Neanderthal and a Homo sapien and all that. Why have it stopped at Homo sapien?
That's
Why
not evolution.
That's not how
You're making this
evolution
up.
works.
That's not real.
It's not real.
Even describing evolution.
I know it's not real. It's just the fact that they believe it. So I'm trying to understand why
No.
Why has it?
You're thinking of Pokemon. That's how Pokemon evolved. That's not how evolution works. Individuals do not evolve.
Exactly.
I want you to do something for me. Can you do... Oh, shit. Where's my chat? Why can't I open a chat?
All right, go ahead. Is it like some sort of experiment?
Well, I have an observation from the wild of single to multicellular.
If you think monkeys evolved into humans, you're already cooked, bro. You're cooked. You're not even describing evolution. You're just talking about weird shit.
So what?
The only reason why I let you get away with that is because I knew who you were. I was about to jump on that. I was like, oh wait, no, it's Dominic. He's probably making a point.
Wait, so let me ask you this, Dominic. You're saying that we essentially had a common ancestry with monkeys, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so if that was the case, yeah. So if that was the case, right? Shouldn't like monkeys also be somewhat intellectual, almost as almost as humans?
Why? Why does that
Exactly.
follow?
Why are they still
They're also in
monkeys?
their Stone Age, so they're as smart as Stone Age humans. So there's that.
Wait, what do you mean? So why are the monkeys haven't evolved after us?
They
And we
are. They're
are.
in their Stone Age. They are evolving right now.
Okay.
They're just doing it slower than we are.
Well, they're just doing it at a different rate because we
Yeah.
took over the population for a long time, and they were minuscule for a long time. Once we left the wild, they were able to start taking over that area, that niche that we left.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. So you're saying these monkeys that we are living with today, chimpanzees or whatever, they're gonna become human one day.
Well, no, they're going to become monkeys one day who have more complex brains and more complex functional overall. They're
okay.
still going to be monkeys.
So Donald, like, can because recent I went to the zoo, right? And I seen like this one thick monkey, bro. So can humans and monkeys have sex?
I mean, can
Okay,
humans and
stop.
lambs have
You're
sex?
okay. You're
Bro,
trolling.
the room's
Stop,
full of
man.
adults. We are all adults. We can say sex. It's not a
Well, I
problem.
mean, do humans and lambs have sex? Do humans and cows have sex? Yeah, that happens with a small percentage of the population, but it's not very large. They're called bestialities. It's called bestiality. Yes, that happens.
Don't know.
I think
Can
can
a
they
human and a
reproduce?
donkey have
Can they reproduce?
Well,
They
he didn't
can't.
say that. He said have sex. So
Yeah,
that's
he
what
did
I
say that.
answered.
No, no.
Let's leave it at that.
can a
Don't
can a
correct these
human and a
people, Dominic.
donkey
Don't tell them
reproduce?
when they've done something wrong. Let them learn on their own.